Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a traditional Indian meat recipe which is very simple but is quite delicious. The recipe is called Handi Dahi Mutton and I have cooked it in dum style in a sealed handi, which is a traditional Indian cooking pot. For this recipe I'll be using 1 kg of boned mutton or goat meat, which we will marinate in 1 cup of yogurt or dahi, 3 tablespoons of crushed ginger and garlic, the paste of 2 large red onions, 3 teaspoons of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, as well as salt according to your taste. Mix everything together with your hands like I'm doing here and let the mutton marinate for at least an hour. I'll also need 1 sliced red onion, a handful of fresh curry leaves and 4 to 5 slit green chilies. The whole spices I'll be using are 2 dry red chilies, 2 bay leaves, some mace, some cinnamon, some cloves and a few green cardamoms. We also need some dough made out of flour to seal the handi. This is the handi, a traditional Indian cooking pot that I'll be using to cook the recipe. Pour some ghee into the handi. Let it heat up and then add the whole spices into the ghee. Stir the spices for half a minute and then add the sliced onions, curry leaves and green chilies into the pot and give the pot a good stir. After 2 minutes, add the marinated mutton pieces into the pot. And add the marinade as well. Give the pot a stir and cook the mutton on high heat for 5 minutes. Keep stirring the pot. And then rinse out the marinade bowl with a cup of water and add it to the handi. Give the pot a mix and cover the handi with its lid. Then it's time to seal the handi with the dough like I'm showing you here. This is called the dum style cooking and it preserves all the juices of the mutton. Cook for 1 hour on low flame. After an hour, we need to remove the dough and see whether the mutton is nicely cooked. Remove the lid. And as you can see, the mutton is nicely cooked and almost falling off the bone. Garnish with some chopped fresh coriander leaves and the dish is ready to be plated up. It looks absolutely yummy. Add a bit more coriander leaves to pretty it up and our utterly delicious, very traditional dum style Handi Dahi Mutton is ready to be served. This mutton is best served with hot rotis or parathas with a bit of salad on the side. This is one of the simplest and most nutritious way to cook mutton and it tastes fabulous. Hit the subscribe button for more such recipes. Enjoy!